Hey, welcome back guys. Today we're doing another car. It is my brother's Toyota Camry, and without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So something that I learned about the 2010 Toyota Camrys is that the dashboard, something with the manufacturing process is wrong, and so the adhesive or protecting whatever's on the dashboard becomes wet and sticky. So this is me trying to clean it, I guess. A ton of dog hair got stuck onto it, so I tried cooling it off so it wouldn't be sticky, but my efforts were kind of in vain as it kind of remained full of dog hair. I got some of it off though, and it looked kind of better, but I don't know. I don't really know how to do this. If any of you guys have had this experience and have cleaned it before, please let me know down in the comments, and continuing with the video. It's about that time in the video where I ask you to please like and subscribe for more. Doing these details is kind of hard and recording them is even harder. So if you wouldn't mind dropping a like and follow, that would be great.
I'm pretty sure. What?
Unfortunately, I do not have before and after pictures, but thank you guys for watching. If you want to watch more, I'm pretty sure I have like 5 other videos. So go have fun, watch those next, and thank you.